Now, doctors and the World Health Organization are cautioning against the use of steroids like dexamethasone for patients with non-severe COVID infections. It can lead to serious side effects. But in Karnataka, the BBMP as well as the Youth Congress have been distributing this tablet in their home isolation kit, triggering a massive political row. This was an isolation kit that was distributed by the Indian Youth Congress in Bengaluru. It had medications such as cough syrup, cetirizine, vitamin C, doxy and a steroid called Dexahim. It was a tweet by AAP convener in Karnataka, Prithvi Reddy, that got this matter out of the box. He pointed out that steroids could lead to serious harm if taken without medical supervision.
We found out on Saturday that the Youth Congress in Karnataka were distributing these home isolation kits. The intention may have been good, but what they have done appears to be extremely dangerous, because apart from paracetamol and cough syrup and the regular medicines, what they've included in the kit is Dexahim, which is essentially a steroid. You cannot take a steroid without a prescription and doctor supervision.
BJP Youth Wing of Bengaluru has also filed a complaint with the drug controller, alleging distribution of non-prescribed drugs in the COVID kit.
Today, I filed a complaint to the drug controller of Karnataka regarding there was an issue going on in the media and social media. Some of the Congress workers, youth workers, are issuing drugs which not supposed to be issued to the general public without prescriptions.
The Youth Congress in Karnataka claimed that they were only following what the BBMP did in the beginning and have now discontinued giving Dexahim in the new home isolation kits being dispatched.
We had actually taken the BBMP prescription and we had copied that. We had taken the version that was been supplied at all the PHCs and we gave those things out. They actually informed to take that Dexo tablet 3 times a day.
Okay.
So we've actually changed that. We had our initial set of 200 boxes.
Okay.
We had said take it if breathless. That is what our doctors had suggested, and we had put that. And then after a few sort of suggestions from a few other people saying that it shouldn't be added, we removed it from the boxes.
The state government, however, pushed for following of uniform treatment protocol put in place by the central government.
Uniform protocol, treatment protocol has to be followed by one and all. The state also follows the guidelines of the government of India, whatever the prescription, prescription they have given, we are also following, along with our own technical experts committee is there. So one has to follow, because otherwise it will be detrimental.
The political row erupted days after the centre pointed out the misuse of steroids, which is a major cause behind mucormycosis or black fungus infection.
स्टीरॉइड्स जो पेशेंट्स ले रहे हैं, जिनको डायबिटीज़ है और साथ में कोविड है, अगर ये तीनों चीज़ें इकट्ठी मिल जाएं तो वो चांसेस ऑफ फंगल इन्फेक्शन एकदम बढ़ जाते हैं. तो स्टीरॉइड्स नहीं देने चाहिए, क्योंकि उससे आगे जाके फंगल इन्फेक्शन के चांसेस हो सकते हैं.
Now this is a steroid that I'm holding in my hand. If you take it without a doctor's prescription, it can lead to life-threatening complications. So whether you have got this in a home isolation kit from the BBMP, from the Youth Congress, or even from any NGO, please do not take this. Your life could be and can be in danger. This is an appeal from all of us. Keep yourself safe. With video journalist Shimmurthy Gurumat, Nolan Pinto for India Today.